Hello everyone, today I got a control board from Elektra Espresso machine. That's from one of our local customers. I'm just going to show you what's the issue. Right off the bat you can see that the big capacitor here is bad for sure, so I have to replace it. We can check it for sure, but by the look of it, it looks toast. You see how it's swollen, and that's the big issue. One sec. Yeah, so this capacitor is no good. You see the shape should be circle, and it's like a weird shape with a line. That means that capacitor is no good. So one problem found. So now let's move to the relays. Lots of boards that I receive, I don't have any schematics or wiring diagrams, so it's very challenging testing anything. So looks like the varistors, they're all in good shape and condition. The chips are all good. I don't see any burning marks. Triacle check, but everything else seems to be okay. I'm just wondering about those relays and this relay. Let's test this relay. Yeah, this relay seems to be okay. Good reading. Take the, I like when it's, let's say, kilos. No. Mega ohms, no. Okay, sure, let's do ohms. Yeah, so this is a good relay. I'm gonna check it for sure. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relays. They are all parallel. I'm going to test them. Looks like the coil is on this side. Let's start with the first one. What about this here? That's not good. Let's test here. Should get some reading on the coil. Alright, so it looks like the coil is on this side. I had to swap it to kilo ohms because it's a smaller unit. So it looks like this coil is good. Let's go to the next one. Next one seems to be okay too. That's the third one. Third one is good. Fourth one is good. Fifth one is good. This is good as well. So my main concern is this guy right here. This I will check them if they click or not, but I think I will replace this guy and it should be all good to go. Let me just put some voltage and we'll check each coil. So this is going to be 12 volt. This is all 12 volt DC. Okay, so let's test 12 volt. Awesome. Let's start with the big one. That's weird. Okay, so the big one is not clicking. This one's good. 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 The big one, yeah, coils are all good. Good relay, 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 bad capacitor. this is the video for this little control board that I just received. Actually, hold on, before I go, I just want to test this little guy. Yeah, it seems to be okay. I don't think I have this triac, but mine as well. I might gonna order it and swap it as well. It's interesting how they put it on a little clip here. But yeah, I'll swap those two because they carry lots of heat, so I will get those ones too. It's giving me okay reading, but I didn't like it on the other leg. So thank you for watching and take care.